That's the singing controller, or that controller that's making a weird noise. That doesn't really concern me a whole lot. A little bit of leakage on the packing there on the steam valve. That's more concerning to me, though, is the clicking coming from this regulator. It sounds like the diaphragm. There's two very thin sheets of stainless steel that make the diaphragm in these, and it's still working, but it sounds like one of those diaphragms might be cracked. Usually when they go bad, they develop a crack around the edge, and then they start leaking there at that crack when both sheets are cracked. Hear it? Ticking noise it's making. This one doesn't make a ticking noise. That one sure does. Yeah, I think this diaphragm, one of the diaphragms in there has gone bad, so that thing's getting ready to give it up. But this is the reason why I was called over here. I've heard this thing make that noise lots of times over the last, I don't know, 10, 12 years that it's been there, so I think it's fine. Seems to be working good. Man, I can hear that regulator clicking all the way from over here. Ugh, I don't like the way that sounds. It shouldn't make that clicking noise.